What happens when you let artificial intelligence design a beer? Today, we find out by asking ChatGPT to create the perfect IPA and brewing it. Welcome to AI Brews, where tech meets taste. Each episode, we combine artificial intelligence and beer culture to create something unique. For our first brew, we asked ChatGPT a simple question: design a bold, flavorful American IPA. Here's what the AI came up with. This is Neural Hops IPA. The grain bill: classic 2-row base malt with caramel 40L, Vienna malt, and a touch of flaked wheat for body. The hops: a carefully timed mix of Centennial, Simcoe, Citra, and Mosaic, with dry hopping at day 5 for a citrus burst. Fermented with Safale US 05 at 68 degrees Fahrenheit, targeting a 7.1% ABV and 65 IBU. In short, clean, punchy, and packed with hop aroma. We brewed the recipe exactly as written, no tweaks, no human ego. Mash went smooth, wort smelled amazing. Fermentation took off in 24 hours. This AI knows what it's doing. Maybe. Now the real test, the taste. Appearance: golden with a fluffy white head. Smells like citrus, pine, and a touch of stone fruit. Flavor: balanced bitterness, soft mouthfeel. Citra and Mosaic are singing. I'd honestly put this up against commercial IPAs. ChatGPT might be onto something. Want to see what happens when AI designs a stout or creates a fictional beer festival? Subscribe to AI Brews, where we let the machines take the wheel and the tap handle. Next episode: can AI create the perfect beer label? See you then.